Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making green pepper and egg mixed noodles. Just look at this. Bouncy noodles coated in savory sauce with tender scrambled eggs and fragrant green peppers. This is my go-to for a quick and super satisfying meal. Let's get started. Here I've got one green pepper, all washed and ready. I'm slicing them on a diagonal like this, nice and even. If you like it spicy, feel free to swap them out for long green chilies. Now let's mix up our sauce. In a bowl, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, a teaspoon each of salt, MSG, and sugar, and about half a bowl of water. Mix them well. This sauce is going to bring all the flavors together. Let's move on to the noodles. I'm using the Alkaline Noodles, but feel free to use the noodles you love or you have in hand in your kitchen. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Toss in a teaspoon of salt and then add the noodle into the water. Give them a quick stir so they don't stick to the bottom. Once the water comes to a boil, let the noodles cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then scoop them out and straight into a bowl of room temperature water. Giving them a quick soak keeps them nice and chewy. Now heat some oil in a wok. Crack in 2 eggs. Beat them up and pour them straight in. Let them sit just long enough to sit on one side. Then flip. Scramble. And take them out. Don't waste that flavorful oil. Straight into our sliced green peppers. Stir fry until they soften. Then add chopped spring onions for that extra aroma. Keep stir frying. Now the eggs go back in. Give everything a quick toast. It's time for the sauce. Pour in it. Keep the heat on low and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens slightly. This is what gives us the rich, glossy coating. Let's spread up the noodles and drizzle all that rich sauce right on the top. Can you smell that? I'm already drooling. Okay, let me take the first bite for you. Hey. It's so good. The noodles are springy and the sauce sticks perfectly. The green peppers add just the right kick. Even if you are not into noodles, this might change your mind. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.